let's say this year for Kyle Peters has not exactly started how you want it to. Obviously, coming into this year, he's won 5 straight arena cross titles, and into round 3 and 4 at Boise. Well, he's a little bit out of the points, but not super far, or wasn't super far. But as of round 2, he pulled out after he felt a pop in his neck, which is not a good thing because if you know anything about Kyle Peters, he had a really bad injury in 2022. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, 2022. And as of a result, he has the C4 to the T1 fuse. So that is 6 vertebrae. And well, this is my comment to Phoenix Racing asking for an injury update. And they said nuh-uh. So I don't know if that means no update or they're just not telling me. But he pulled out of round 2 or main 2, whatever you want to call it, where they pop in his neck, or he felt a pop in his neck, and the majority of his left side went numb. That's not a good thing. I mean, in general, but if you've already had a previous career almost ending injury and then you feel that and your left side goes numb, that's really bad. I mean, especially considering what these guys are doing on a bike, you need to have full control, full feeling on your body to really know what's happening. Uh, as far as I'm looking from Verb, they said he went to the emergency room on Saturday, so a few days ago, obviously, and was supposed to get an MRI. As I'm recording this, this is Thursday, so I don't know if there's no update yet from that Instagram post or if they're just not letting it out. But hopefully he's good. Hopefully, it was just a pinched nerve or something like that. You never want to see anybody get injured. Never want to see a career end from something like this. Hopefully not. Knock on wood. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you watching? Are you watching Arena Cross, especially with the Vince Freezy edition? It's been it's the only series going on right now, so it should have a lot more attention than normal. But I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think of it? Have you watched it before? Are you watching it this year? Any idea? Anything you want to say? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.